What's up, beauties? Today I'm gonna put you guys on to some gel polish from a small business called Riya's Nails. I'm gonna swatch 10 gel polishes from her today, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm gonna start off with a couple of her cat eye polishes. This is one of the first polishes I got from her, so the number is a little rubbed off. This is number C25, and I really love this color for the fall. Next up is C27, and I usually use this cat eye polish for some of my winter designs. Now I'm just gonna get into some basic colors. I don't know if you can tell, but I was having some trouble with this white. It was separating while I was trying to use it. Also, please excuse the snoring. My baby is sleeping in my lap while I record this. Okay, so I need to talk about this black. This black gel polish is probably my favorite black gel polish that I've ever used. And usually I use Madame Glam's products and their perfect black is amazing, so that really says a lot about this black. If you're using super thin coats like I did, it did take me about 3 coats to get the opacity that I really liked, but I didn't mind that. So this is color 101. I got it thinking that it was more of a deeper red color, but it's definitely more on the pinker berryish side, which is fine. It's still a super nice color. I just haven't used it yet for a set. I'm thinking I'll probably do something wintry with it. Okay, so I'll just stop talking for a little while and let you guys enjoy these swatches. So we're getting close to finishing the swatching, and so these are just a couple of nude colors that I picked out. So this is the last nude, and it is a super cute, super sheer pink. It seems to be very popular, so it tends to be sold out often. So if you see that she has this one in stock, I definitely would suggest grabbing it. Okay, so here are all the colors, swatched and top coated. I'll be sure to leave the link to her website down in the description, and let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed content like this. Thanks for watching, bye!